So there's a concept from anthropology that I think explains our relationship with AI better than anything I've read in a tech journal. Cargo cults. The term actually comes from the early 20th century. Just after the Second World War, some communities in Melanesia were watching American military forces receiving these huge quantities of goods that were arriving by aircraft. And when the Americans left, some of these groups built symbolic airstrips and planes out of bamboo, and they performed the rituals that they had observed and waited. They had seen the ceremony, but they hadn't seen the infrastructure behind it. So when most of us interact with AI, we do something that looks from the outside quite similar to that. We type in a prompt, something extraordinary emerges, and then we refine the ritual with better phrasing or more specific requests to get the right result. But almost none of us have any genuine understanding of what happens between the input and the output. So the data centers consuming the electricity of small countries, the training pipelines, the billions of human decisions embedded in the models waiting, and the often low-paid labor, usually in the global south, required to make these systems safe enough to deploy. So we perform the ritual, the cargo arrives, and we call this using a tool. But here's what I think we get most wrong when we talk about AI. The dominant framing is humans versus machines, whether they're smarter than us or they can replace us. But that's the wrong question. The real intelligence gap that actually matters is not between humans and machines. It's between the small group of people who understand and know what is inside these systems and the vast majority of us who don't. The cargo cult communities didn't lack intelligence. They lacked access to the infrastructure. The people who build your AI know exactly what is inside it, and they're counting on you not knowing. Do you actually understand how the AI that you use works? And if not, does it bother you that you don't?